Today, we have something truly special, a detailed look at the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. From design to performance, we'll cover everything. Slow 360-degree exterior shots of the motorhome, highlighting the front, sides, and back. Focus on grille, headlights, and wheels. The exterior immediately makes a statement. Sleek, aerodynamic, with a reimagined Mercedes grille, LED headlights, and premium alloy wheels. Every line shows meticulous craftsmanship, available in classic blacks, metallic silvers, and unique two-tone finishes. The motorhome blends elegance with road presence. Step inside and luxury surrounds you. Leather upholstery, wood paneling, and ambient lighting create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is fully functional, while the dining area comfortably accommodates a small group, making long trips as convenient as staying at a five-star hotel. Technology is seamlessly integrated. Infotainment, smart climate control, and voice commands make every journey smooth and connected. The bedroom is spectacular, with a king-size bed, plush bedding, and clever storage. Every detail is designed for comfort and convenience. Even the bathroom rivals spa standards, with high-end fixtures and elegant design. Powered by a high-performance engine, the motorhome balances smooth acceleration and effortless handling, all while maintaining comfort. Safety is paramount. Advanced driver assistance systems ensure safe and stress-free driving for this large luxury vehicle. Despite its size, Mercedes incorporates eco-friendly tech and optimized fuel efficiency, proving that luxury can be responsible. Motorhome is in the ultra-luxury segment. Customization lets owners personalize every feature, from interiors to finishes, elevating exclusivity. Mercedes Maybach Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Luxurious, technologically advanced, and exceptionally comfortable. Every journey feels first class. Review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to channel name for more exclusive reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.